Good evening, everyone. JR with Secure Metals. Welcome to my week ending analysis here for both gold and silver. Today is Friday, December 12th. Market is closed. It is 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll start off with the weekly chart here. So again, running into some resistance here at around 1232. Just hit the zone here roughly at around 12. I believe the high was 1238. Before coming back down, but it looks like the market is going to try to continue to go a bit higher. You're going to find some resistance here at the 20-day moving average, but we have finally broken through this down trend line. Now, anytime we break through a trend line, we don't necessarily want to take any shorts, especially on something like this, because you broke the trend line. So again, there might be enough buyers to also break this this zone. Okay, so once the trend line has been broken, again. We do not sell in this area, though that area can still hold very, very, very easily. There's still a confluence of resistance. You have the 20-day moving average. You have the zone as well. Okay, that's your weekly chart. And the stochastics are really just flat and a really good, nice engulfing candle here. So again, you had that outside candle here. That was a very bullish candle. You have another bullish candle here where it engulfs this one as well. So now we're looking to take out this zone here. As I've said here on my previous video, once we take this level out, again, high 1300s is where I'll be targeting. Okay, that's your weekly chart here for gold. Your daily chart, again, found some resistance in this zone here. This is the same zone as the weekly chart. And again, touched the zone and now is looking for some support to go higher. But again, I've said this here a few times. We want to go down. Anytime you want to see a reversal of trend, you want to go above this 20-day moving average. All right, you went above it, came below. You want to find some support. Again, that was the Swiss referendum. Market came down much lower, but immediately recovered and actually created new highs. So this is the new high here. Obviously, this would be the low around 1180, 1181. Okay, so this is the level where we do not want to fall below. We are looking at the 20-day moving average pointing higher now, which suggests that the trend might be changing. And again, I think this is the last opportunity this market has, not the last opportunity, but the last shot, at least in this range here, to create another high. Okay, so that's your daily chart here. And currently in that, I've drawn a line here from here to here. This is the uptrend that you're looking for. So what you're looking for to do is find some support here on this 20-day moving average if you don't find it here. And once you find that support, you're looking to create a higher high. Okay? That's a daily chart here for gold. Let's look at silver. Okay? Silver, same thing here. We'll look at the weekly chart first. Okay? Very nice engulfing, very nice outside candle here, which is bullish. You have another bullish candle here. And now on the weekly chart here on silver, resistance seems to be a bit stronger. And the reason why I say that is because we have this trend line. And we did break through this trend line here. If you want to add this right here, you can say that silver broke through this trend line, this kind of a wedge that it was building. So I normally wouldn't take this short. But again, you have this long-term trend line coming from the 2011 high coming down, and that's going to be a confluence here. So you're going to find some resistance on this trend line here. I'll delete some of these so we don't confuse ourselves. So this is the trend line. So you're looking to find, you're going to have a confluence with this 20-day moving average as well, this 20-day moving average band, as well as this being a sell zone. So silver looks a little bit more vulnerable than gold, but at this point, again, you want to see how high silver can go. I think silver is going to look to test at least the high 17 range. And again, I would say that a move above the 1820 range and a move that stays above. Again, what we're looking for is the same price action that we saw on the daily gold chart, where we go above this 20-day moving average here, right? Go above it, find some resistance, come back down, look for some support here within this 20-day moving average zone, and then obviously create new highs. That's what you're looking for on the weekly. That's what you've already found on the daily. But in order for this to be a long-term bull trend and I guess a closing to this 3 to 4 year bear market here for the metals, what we're looking for is the same type of price action. You're looking for a price higher than the 20-day moving average, come back, test, create higher highs, and right now, as we can see, we are trading sideways. And again, I don't think this will be here for too long. I think what you're going to find is a quick move to the downside, finding some support and move higher. That's if the 20-day moving average holds. If it doesn't, then I think we're going to, again, retest the $14 level. And obviously, what we're looking for is a move, this move to just be a continuation pattern to go higher, right? But $18 is my next target here for these metals. All right, the Dow Jones briefly taken a huge hit, and I said it before. This is a broadening formation. It's a very bearish formation on the daily chart. We've seen this chart already on the monthly chart, which is a much slower chart. Okay, and this being the long-term chart, right? This looks a little bit scarier. So again, another bearish broadening formation. So on the daily chart here, you're looking to find some support here. This will be a good band of support. And I believe on my previous video here, I did state that we were probably going to find some support here. But now you're going to have the 20-day moving average here on this weekly chart. You might find some support there. But a very, very bearish candle here. These bearish candles, they've been really false indicating this market. You have these very big engulfing bearish candles here, but they really haven't meant much at all. But eventually they will mean something, and this could be the one that's going to mean something here, okay? So on the daily chart, looking to find some support here, but ultimately this is the level where I'd be looking to look for. This is the last level. This can easily, very, very, very easily continue to go down, maybe find some quick support, but eventually come down all the way down here to 16.2. That's what I would currently target. But again, this being a broadening formation, you would probably target 15.6. But the bullish candles are there. On the weekly chart, again, now you have to overcome this 20-day moving average. Once we can fall below it, again, eventually this market will fall, and unless the Federal Reserve comes in and cleans it up, it's going to continue to fall. That's my opinion. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I try to make it as quick as possible. We'll see how price action works out on Monday. And thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.